Hello, good day to the chairpersons. My name is Michael Sillang and I work as a Politeknik lecturer in the departments of electrical engineering. So today I will present a research paper entitled Perception and Use of the Electronic Trainer ETK by students in the laboratory seasons. So I am the author of the research paper and the co-author by the Suzy Patricia and Adolfata. First of all, I want to show a list outline that I will present shortly, which consists of introduction, literature review, methodology, discussion, and conclusion. For the part of introductions, I will explain about the innovations projects that we have developed. That is electronic trainer kit (ETK) is a device that functions as a tool of the teaching and learning process for the testing electronics kit. So this trainer is used to the lab of the teaching aid and demonstrate the principles of electronic laws. So this ETK combination of the three instruments in one trainer, including the direct currents, DC power supply, the oscilloscope, and the function generator. In the literature review, I will explain about the previous study by the author. So Dunwills has stated that the advancements of the technologies keep on changing and transforming the teaching method and the setting of the learning process. K and B Zhao 2014 say that the use of the electronic trainer board has become increasingly popular in the wide range of the application in the teaching and learning method. For these projects, innovation is developed and suitable to be used in the lab as a teaching aid and demonstrate the principle of electronic laws for the electrical technology and measurements course. Arnold Ames et al. 2015 say that training models have arisen hand in hand with the innovation in the laboratory teaching, especially in the electronic laboratories, for the offer actual simulation of the topic being discussed, enabling the students to safely explore their curiosity of this device. And Sahat in 2014 said that many graduate students have not been able to meet the qualification as required, and this symptom indicate that learning in the education of electronic engineering has not been able to provide learning experience on the cognitive and psychomotor of students. For this electronic trainer ETK is perfectly suitable for hand tests on experience in construction and testing, and it should be useful in supporting repair and testing, and also perfectly suitable for the test implementations for knowledge for the all professions. And lastly, Intan et al. In 2018 said that the electronic trainer is very expensive to obtain the normally available in the limited numbers in electronics laboratories, and due to the limited number of units, students need to share the trainer, and this reduces the contact time of the student to the trainer. And then for these projects, it's successfully developed by us with the combination kit, oscilloscope, function gen, and a DC power supply. So it's much cheaper than the previous lab equipment and can recover all the broken, damaged, and outdated lab equipment. In methodology, we use the questionnaire that divided into the section A and the section B. And section A is which consists of survey the background and the biographical information, and respondent of the section B is evaluations of this trainer. So for example, we choose the 25 students that had 10 electrical technology and measurement course, and the use of this trainer in the practical works in June 2019 seasons. So the research data analysis is using the statistic method to find mean score for range low, average, and high frequency to get overall rating of the trainer and the student perception of using this trainer in their practical works. Okay, let me show you the results here. The results for the mean score here. So based on the graph here, The response from the 25 students show the positive impacts of this trainer in their practical works, with an average mean score of 4.80. So this means this trainer is suitable to use for the practical works, and they are certified with the this trainer. Okay, so based on the graph here, okay, for the question 1 and question 4 was score 5 in mean reading, show that all students strongly agree that this trainer is useful for the laboratory season of the electrical technologies and measurement course, and students feel interested to learn when using this trainer. So according to the question 2, with mean score of 4.92, show that a lot of students agree that they can apply the knowledge they had learned when they're using this trainer. So this show a positive impacts on the teachings and learning process, and this trainer is very effective to apply the practical skill in the real life. And so in the question 8 and 9, with the same reading of mean score 4.68, show that two-way communication is built up with the more discussion and the conversation in the laboratory seasons. So also students have the more participate in the season, since they need to do programming work at the same time. They need to assemble this trainer to work as they desire. However, from the question 10 and question 11, students feel that they were more fully participated and easier to use the laboratory seasons. So from the question 12 and 14, this trainer is not only useful in electrical technology and measurement course, but also give the ideas in developing final year's project, and all skill learned during the laboratory seasons using this trainer and can be applied in the final year projects. So So in conclusion, so this project was successfully developed and used in the laboratory season. So this electronic trainer kit perfectly suitable for the hand test on the experience in construction and testing, and it should be useful in supporting repair and testing, and also perfectly suitable for tests to implement the basic knowledge for the many electronic professions. So let me show you the references that support my research paper here. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. That's all.